Welcome to Astragalus Lab. This is a portion of the lab. We will now give you a sweep around the lab. You'll see toolboxes sitting in the corner. You'll see a workstation right there, which is for doing a project. You'll see another toolbox. In the corner there, you'll see our computer set up with racks of containers above. Then I have shelves at the end. And right in front of us, you will see two workbenches. The bench in the foreground is a plain topped bench with a vise. The bench behind, where the wooden toolbox sits, is a toolbox house important things in, and it has a glass top. These are the benches, the one with the glass top. To the right, there is the one with the plain wooden top. Then behind, as you can see, as we're sweeping, we have all my shelves. Over at the front door coming in, you will see in the corner a work table. This is the project work table. It has a power strip attached with about a 10-foot cord. We have two power strips on two different workstations. This is the smallest workstation that's movable, having a vise. Now, we'll sweep to the right here, and you will see a very deluxe type of jigsaw or scroll saw with a file cabinet. Then to the right of that, you'll see our largest workstation table. It also has about a 15-foot cord. When we complete our additions to the outside, the front porch to this building, these will be the first things to be moved out and plugged in, because they're movable workstations and we can immediately use a new area. We hope to finish the construction on this work area this winter. This is the outside area of the porch. This is the area that will be closed in to make more room. It houses about 300 square feet or so. It's not too wide, but it's going to accommodate workbenches down the center, narrow wood workbenches like you saw in the lab. It also will have lighting done from the ceiling. I'll be putting up fluorescent type fixtures here and hope to convert some of my fixtures to LED so that I can alternate fluorescent, LED, fluorescent all the way up of about 40 foot of length here. This is where temporarily today I have the drill press, which is on wheels so it can be moved, two rolling red shelves which are on wheels so they can be moved, and at the far end there's a little container which I will either use a small ball mill on or eventually have a lathe to go there, because the ball mill can go on the lower shelf at a later date. This is a little follow-up. I almost forgot to include it. Please excuse me. If you look over to my left, you'll see the rolling red shelves which I had on the outside porch, and the little stand which will house a small ball mill, and eventually, hopefully, a lathe to the top, and put the ball mill down at the bottom. And to the right, you will see this is where I store temporarily the drill press. But these can be moved outside or into another room anytime I want to have more space in here, should I have a collaborator come and want to join me in research efforts. Okay. Thanks for coming to visit Astragalus Lab. This has been an undertaking that I have had a dream of since I was about 72 years old. I'm 79. The total investment in converting this property to a lab totals about $70,000. With the addition of the lab out there, it will probably be another $5,000. And there's an area out under an awning has been enclosed. I built the walls. He's finished up where there'll be more lab area, a visiting room. So there's more to come. Thanks for coming and spending time with us. When you come back, we hope you'll spend more time as I put up another video. Thank you for coming.